Bloop. He likes a little bloop.
Now let's see if we can get out. And they're from
You
Vermont
should.
too.
There ain't no reason why you can't. Wait till your car go by.
Yeah, put it in 4 low
You
and
get a fucking truck out of there.
yeah.
Or Mr. King Cool over there telling the truck what to do.
Yeah. Oh, geez, watch out. Oh, this guy's, he's not waiting. Whoa.
Portland, what a bunch of nutcases.
Well, yeah.
Wow, boy, that
You were
doesn't
just
say
going.
much for
What are you doing? You were just going.
Ford Escapes.
That's another thing they do. They get going, then they stop.
Yeah, well.
That car was almost out of there. Now the truck's in the try to go.
Oh, geez,
Ah.
he's stuck.
I love it.
You guys could make some extra money right there.
See, that car can get out of there. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah. Turn it.
The truck's stuck. I love it.
Well, oh, Jesus.
Oh, he's got Phil drive too.
Yeah. But he's still stuck. It's all.
Yeah,
ice
but he
right
can
there.
rock. You see, he just rocked his way and didn't move forward.
Yeah,
All
unless
he
he's
can do-
got the guy saying, what the fuck
Yeah.
did I get myself into?
Don't make me go out there and help you push, for Christ's sakes. No, gun a truck.
Oh, it's a guy. I figured it was a girl.
Now back it up again, dummy.
He's got his wheels turned.
There you go. There you go.
Keep going. Oh,
He stopped.
geez. Oh, he's going to hit the telephone pole.
No, he's got about a foot. But he's keeping his wheels turned.
Yeah.
No cars. Now gun it straight back, dumbass.
Now this. Oh, he needs a push.
No, he's saying go. Because he wants to gun it straight.
Yeah.
Dumbass. This is funny.
Oh my god, he just smashed straight into the sidewalk.
He must have fucking summer tires on that fucking thing.
Yeah.
Fucking idiots. Oh,
There you go. Hey, dumbasses.
Jesus.
Tony?
Holy shit.
That's why you don't drive.
oh, I could drive better than that.
Yeah, 2 guys are behind her pushing her, and her wheels were.
On the front of it, kaboom.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Give it to...
You done bitching?
No, I have a fucking do.
No. This is what Armistead looks
Now,
like.
this is what I'm saying. You see that? That's the only size picture you could fit in.
I'm gonna fucking smash you. I'm putting a sign up in the window.